Are you an exhausted corporate professional, a burnt-out VA, or someone just trying to build a side hustle without losing your mind? If you feel like you're constantly drowning in a sea of different software subscriptions just to keep your business afloat, you are not alone. Today, we are exposing the Frankenstein business model that is draining your energy and your wallet. We're going to show you an unfair software advantage that is replacing over 10 different tools and saving people just like you more than 20 hours every single week. If you have ADHD or just hate complicated tech, this is going to be a game changer for your sanity and your bank account. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how to simplify your life and start earning faster.
Let's talk about why most people fail when trying to build an online income. They try to piece together a Frankenstein monster of software. You buy a funnel builder for $97 a month. Then you need an email autoresponder for another $50. Oh wait, you need a calendar booking system, a CRM to track your leads, and a separate platform to host your courses. Before you know it, you are spending hundreds of dollars every month before you've even made a single dime in profit. Not to mention the absolute nightmare of trying to get all these different tools to actually talk to each other. It requires Zapier integrations, coding knowledge, and endless troubleshooting. For someone who is already exhausted from a 9-to-5 job, this technical friction is exactly what causes burnout and makes people quit.
If you have ADHD, or if you are just easily overwhelmed by complex, multi-step processes, the traditional way of building an online business is basically a trap. Your brain craves simplicity, clear systems, and immediate feedback. When you have to log into 5 different dashboards just to send one email campaign and track a sale, your executive function completely shuts down. You end up procrastinating, feeling guilty, and ultimately giving up on your dream of early retirement or financial freedom. What you actually need is a single unified dashboard. One login, one system where everything is connected natively. You need a tool that works with your brain, not against it. A system that allows you to focus on the creative, money-making activities instead of playing IT support for your own business.
Enter the unfair advantage we've been using, Funnel Freedom. This is an all-in-one software platform designed specifically to eliminate tech overwhelm and give you your time back. Imagine taking your funnel builder, your website creator, your email marketing software, your SMS text messaging tool, your calendar, and your course hosting platform, and combining them into one incredibly easy-to-use system. That is exactly what Funnel Freedom does. It is the ultimate shortcut for virtual assistants who want to offer more services to clients without buying more tools, and for corporate professionals who only have a few hours a week to build their escape plan. You don't need to be a tech genius. If you can point and click a mouse, you can build a high-converting automated business with this platform.
Let's break down exactly what you get to cancel when you switch to Funnel Freedom. First, say goodbye to expensive funnel builders like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages. Funnel Freedom has a drag-and-drop builder with hundreds of proven templates ready to go. Second, cancel your ActiveCampaign or MailChimp. The built-in email and SMS automation is incredibly powerful and costs a fraction of the price. Third, ditch Calendly. The smart scheduling system handles all your appointments and automated follow-ups. Fourth, stop paying for Teachable or Kajabi. You can host unlimited courses and membership communities right inside the platform. And finally, you get a built-in CRM to track every single lead and customer interaction. By consolidating all these tools, you are instantly saving hundreds of dollars a month in overhead costs.
But the real magic isn't just the money you save, it's the time you get back. Funnel Freedom is built around powerful, intuitive automation. You can create visual workflows that nurture your leads while you are sleeping, working your day job, or spending time with your family. Someone opts into your page and the system automatically sends them a welcome email, follows up with a text message 2 days later, and invites them to book a call on your calendar. It even has AI chatbots that can answer common customer questions instantly, 24/7. This means you are essentially cloning yourself. You build the system once, and it works tirelessly in the background. This is how exhausted professionals are finally able to scale their income without burning out.
Now, what if you don't have your own product to sell yet? This is where Funnel Freedom becomes truly unfair. It comes with a built-in bonus system that instantly adds 15 streams of affiliate income to your business in a matter of minutes. You get a completely done-for-you, 7-figure automated system. You don't need to write the emails, you don't need to build the funnels, and you don't even need to create the YouTube review videos. You simply give away a free course as a lead magnet to build your email list, and the software automatically promotes multiple high-converting products to your leads on your behalf. It is the perfect setup for beginners who want to start earning passive income immediately without the headache of product creation.
If affiliate marketing isn't your thing, Funnel Freedom also opens up a massive opportunity in the local business space. Local businesses are desperately seeking help with their online presence, but they don't know how to set it up. With this software, you can be their hero. You can offer them AI chatbots, instant professional websites, automated text responses, and review collection systems. Because the software does all the heavy lifting, you can easily charge these businesses anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per month on retainer. You are providing massive value with minimal ongoing effort on your part. It's a brilliant way for virtual assistants to transition into high-paid agency owners, creating a reliable, recurring monthly income stream.
The biggest objection we hear is, "But I'm not a tech person." Listen, we get it. We are not coders either. The beauty of Funnel Freedom is that it was built for regular people. There is zero coding required. It is entirely drag and drop. Plus, when you join, you get access to Complete Freedom University training, which is a $2,000 value absolutely free. You get live coaching calls with technical experts, private community access, and done-for-you templates. If you ever get stuck, there is a 24/7 support chat right inside the dashboard. You are never left alone to figure things out. You have a complete support system designed to ensure you succeed, even if you've never built a website in your entire life.
It is time to stop letting complicated tech hold you back from the freedom you deserve. If you are ready to ditch the Frankenstein business model, save 20 hours a week, and finally build a profitable online system, you need to check this out. We have a free training and a full demo of how this Funnel Freedom software works. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment to watch the free training right now. And if you want direct access, just comment the words "unfair software" down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our tips on building true financial freedom. See you in the next video.
'Cause I got